Hello, I'm Henrik Boecken. I'm here at Kennesaw State University at my internship. What I do is I work with a math professor called Drew Cow, and on any given day, what I normally do is what I'm doing right now, which is sitting here. But let's see exactly what I do. So, very often I have a paper, or 1, 2, 3. I have any number of papers open on my computer. I'm working through this notebook right here. Here's some of the work I've done. My research project revolves around this right here, this summation. As you can see, every fraction has a 4 on top, and then the bottom is the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. And then the sign alternates, minus, plus, so on. Now, this is a finite sum. This sum stops. And this is, if it were to go to infinity, we would get pi, our favorite number. If it weren't to go to infinity, we would get this number s. Regarding my research, why does it matter? I study a certain property of the Leibniz series, which you'll see up here, and the reason it matters is because a lot of people question why math is useful. But the thing about math is that math is the foundation of all these subjects, and if you can make a contribution in math, you'll never know where else it is applicable. There are fields that we thought were creation for centuries that are incredibly important in modern math. The way I measured the data is by writing a Python code, and this Python code calculated the partial sums for the Leibniz series, like I mentioned before, and then I had to manually check how many of the digits matched up, and to see if the behavior held. Because this isn't quite as much of a data-driven project as most of the others, and more driven by the mathematical research, there wasn't a strictly speaking control, but it was certainly valid, as tested by various statistical methods, which I use in my paper. It's also reliable. It's very, very easy to repeat. I have the code. So this is me with my mentor, Drew Cow, who I thank very much for this experience, and I just want to know, how do you think the internship?
Internship went pretty well. I'm very glad to have you as my student. I welcome students to in the area of math, because you have a lot of fun, and you can really find some interesting projects to work on.
Okay, thank you so much.